Okay, so let's simplify this. The buy limits, the sell limits, your buy stop, and your sell stop. Hmm. Okay, so if you did not watch the previous video, we had a video on the stop loss, the entry price, and the take profit. So just go back, watch that video, and then in this video, we are going to be looking at the entry price itself, and then how one can utilize the buy limit, the sell limit, the sell stop, and the buy stop. So all these which I've mentioned are called pending orders, and they are part of the methods in which a trader can enter the market. So instead of you just using market execution, instant market execution to enter the market, you can also use orders which are pending orders or limit orders. So if we talk of, let's say, buy limit, okay, your buy limit is going to be used in case you go to the market late, however you analyze your market, or however you determine the best price to buy at in the market. Now, when you approach the market, you discover that actually the price has already pushed a few ticks in value, and so you have to wait for another lower level to come back for another low price for you to buy at before you can now have your next move, okay, your next opportunity in the market. So you're going to set a buy limit there, okay. Now, if you need that special help, we are not selling courses. We only do some classes sometimes, but I'm doing consultancy full time. So meaning that you have a chance to sit one on one with me. Okay, let's proceed. The details will be at the end of the video. Okay, so let's cruise. So sell limit, it's just the opposite. If you observe that there is a selling opportunity, a good selling opportunity in the market at that time, but for some reason you were late on the market, or for some reason when you are going to be having the actual move of the market, you want to be around on the charts. So what do? You set an automatic sell limit. Okay, in your absence it will trigger for you. If you are going to be there while it's going to be happening, then you have no there's no use. You could just enter a direct instant market execution. And that's your entry point, right? The point at which you enter into the market. Huh? Okay. So buy limit and sell limit are used when price you are waiting on that price to happen. You are waiting at that price to come, the markets to push back in that price of value, and then you set a limit. It's automatic, you just set it. Okay, so I'm going to explain the buy limit and the stop limit, and I'll make a little bit of comparisons for us to get a clear picture. So stick with me. So now we are moving to the buy stop and the sell stop. So a buy stop, this is the order which you are going to use when the market is about to move in a direction, but you don't want to enter right away. You are anticipating that the market is going to move. If we're saying buy is going up, so it's going to break new highs and creating more value. It's going to appreciate in value. So in this instance, again, you're not going to be on the market. Maybe you'll be busy doing something, you'll be heading somewhere. So what do? You set a buy stop so that when the market moves and appreciates in value, it'll just trigger your order inside and you'll be instantly in the market just like that. Again, if you'll be available at that time when the market will be moving, then you just enter with a instant execution and you're inside the trade. Okay. Same for the sell stop. How do you apply the sell stop? You apply the sell stop if you know that, okay, we are having a nice selling opportunity in the markets, but for some reason you want to be available when that sell opportunity triggers in. So what do? you set your sell stop just at the area where you believe that the market is going to give you a nice entry, and then you can go away, do your thing. When you come back and the market has pushed, you'll find that you're already triggered inside the trade. So basically, these pending orders, they actually mean that pending orders, meaning is you are waiting on an opportunity in the market, and so you just set it in advance as the market is doing what is moving. So let's compare now the buy stop and the buy limit. What is the difference? The buy limit and the buy stop, the only difference is that in a buy limit, we are waiting for price to do what? To come back to where it was in the previous minutes, hours, days, and so forth. Buy stop is that we are anticipating that the price is going to go to a place where it hasn't yet been yet. So we just position ourselves in advance. Same thing for the sell limit and the sell stop. We're expecting the market to push down before it pushes. We know in the sell limit that it had already pushed, it was there before, so it's just going back there to get more orders, more liquidity. Okay, it's a stop hunt, things like that. And then I know I'm talking of some terms which people don't, some people are not familiar with them, so you have to go do your homework, research, uh, make sure that you watch as many videos as possible. Let's connect. And then we are here to help you as usual. And they use YouTube videos, they are free. So help us by subscribing, liking, sharing, and so forth. Okay, so your sell limit and your sell stop. Your sell limit, a price which has already happened. So you're waiting for the markets to pull back. Okay. The sell stop, the price hasn't yet gotten there yet, but you know it's going to go there. And then you want to position yourself in the market. So you do what? You set your sell stops. As the market comes in, you'll be triggered into those trades, and then the market will do what? Push like that. So pending orders are very important because they are going to help us to enter the market in case we are not available, we are anticipating future movements of the market and future opportunities. But in the instance where you analyze the market and immediately you see the opportunity, you just enter with a what? Instant market execution. Okay. So I've explained about these things. Comment below, ask questions. I'll do more videos on it in future. Okay. And if your questions are relating to the broker, because the next video will be talking about what is a broker, how to find your broker, how to verify your broker. We'll be talking based on the broker. We explain about that. So, Raised by Grace signing out. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful to do this, and I hope you're getting the value. I hope I'm adding value to your life, and I hope we are all benefiting from all this. Raised by Grace signing out. Yes.